WestPoint Home in downtown Chipley, Florida is celebrating Mother's Day with a present for you. WestPoint Home offers the very best name brand products at factory outlet prices each and every day, all year round, at a fraction of the cost of the big box stores. And with the largest selection of name brand bed and bath products, from pillows and comforters to sheets, towels, and accessories. From brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. WestPoint Home has the best in design innovation, style, and comfort with brands representing the latest in home fashion. And WestPoint Home is now celebrating with a Mother's Day special. Now through May 14th, enjoy a 50% discount on everything in the store as our way of saying thanks to Mom. Open 7 days a week in downtown Chipley, Florida on Main Street, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. It's the WestPoint Home Mother's Day sale with a thanks to Mom and 50% off everything in the store. So happy Mother's Day from WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet.